looking to offer quite a number of separate trips to Macedonia, aiming at different markets. So certainly for 2005 we'll be looking at walking holidays in the national parks here, family holidays in winter in the ski resorts, looking at snowshoeing, ski touring, and also a cultural tour through Macedonia, taking in the main highlights and attractions such as Lake Cradle.
I'll tell you all what a pleasure it is to be here in Macedonia, where I've been for 2.5 days.
I think it is a safe country, yeah.
Last couple of years I was looking for an outbound destination for my business.
A human pleasure to deal with all the Macedonians who've helped us.
Attractions of the country, the scenery, the Macedonian people, the hospitality.
I've been in business for 26 years, lots of countries around the world, and I don't know of any place on the earth where people are so friendly.
Sometimes I say, look, I could be a Macedonian.
We love Macedonia! Other than that, fabulous country.
Fabulous.
Yes, nature's magnificent. People are really nice, very hospitable, lots of fun, eating, drinking, beautiful scenery. What more can you ask for?
Oh. 8 o'clock in the morning, very beautiful day, blue sky, sun shines out. As you can see, there's no jumper, no waterproofs. We're now in a very rural part of Eastern Macedonia, having a delightful breakfast, enjoying fantastic company from my Macedonian friends.
Macedonia will appeal a lot to Turkish travelers, and we will pass the information we have got to the other Turkish companies. We are on a 1,000 Turkish companies network on internet, and we exchange information, we ask questions, and we will share all this information with other people in Turkey.
I want to tell you all what a pleasure it is to be here in Macedonia, where I've been for 2.5 days. I would like to say that what I have found and what I continue to see as it becomes clearer to me is a fascinating young country, once the center of the known world. So here's a toast to those who have organized, and thank you very much, and a toast to the new Macedonia, Blagodaram.
And I certainly look forward to coming back to Macedonia again, and I think the people who traveled with me, who are from all over the world, almost certainly feel the same. From all of us, thank you very much for hosting us, and we really do look forward to not only coming back again, but bringing our friends and our clients as well. Thank you, everybody.
What impressed you most here during your visit here in Macedonia?
I think the huge variety of the attractions of the country, the scenery, the Macedonian people, the hospitality, and also the excellent food, and the actual infrastructure. I think Macedonia, albeit not so well known in the UK, does have a very stable base for developing tourism here.
We love Macedonia!
Okay, bye-bye. Have a nice night.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.